Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I've got a new product to show you all. It's been a long time since I've reviewed Bluetooth speakers on my channel, and well, here we go. I've got a brand new Bluetooth speaker to show you guys. This speaker is made by Tagg and the model is Sonic Angle 1. That's quite a unique name. The speaker comes in this sort of box. Let's see what's written on it. You've got some features over here, let's check them out. It's a Bluetooth V4.2 wireless speaker, has an aux input, a 2200 mAh battery, comes with a built-in mic, it's also IPX5 rated water resistant, and says it supports both Siri and Google Assistant. And at the back you've got some more info. The company says this speaker can give up to 8 hours of continuous music playtime with a standby time of around 250 hours. That looks promising. And coming to the pricing details, the price on the box says it's 3,999, but this speaker is available for only around 2,499 rupees online. So that was our overview on the box. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me slide out the outer cover. I want to thank Tagg for sending me this product for review. So inside we've got another black box. Let's just open it and check out the speaker. Alright, on opening the box we've got some paperwork at the top. It's a user manual. Just make sure to read that for all the info on the product. And here's the speaker. Let me take it out of the box. The Tagg Sonic Angle 1 is a stereo Bluetooth speaker. But before we check it out, let me also show you what else we got in the box. You get a warranty card, a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable, and a USB cable for charging the speaker. So these were all the items you got in the box. Now let's finally check out the speaker. So here it is, the Tagg Sonic Angle 1. It's a stereo Bluetooth speaker that can produce a max output of 10 watts. It's got a unique triangular shape. I like the design. On the bottom side you've got the Tagg logo, and below that you've got a 50 by 80mm bass radiator that delivers extra kick in the bass. You also have 4 rubber foot pads on all the 4 corners and some info regarding the product. Now let me show you the actual speakers. As you can see, it's got two 5-watt speakers, so they produce a total combined output of 10 watts. The build quality is very nice. It's got a metal speaker grill all over it with a soft rubber finish on the sides. Over here there's a rubber flap under which you've got an aux port and a micro USB port for charging the speaker. On the right side you've got the media control buttons, which include a power button at the top, a link button to pair 2 of the speakers, a Bluetooth pair button, volume down and volume up. There's no media play pause button on it. The quality of the buttons is nice, they feel tactile and clicky. And on the other side you've got the Tagg logo. So those are all the buttons and ports on it. The speaker is also not that heavy, weighs only around 354 grams. That was about the design and the build quality. Now let's power it on, pair it with my phone and see how the speaker sounds like. There you go.
Battery medium.
The speaker also has an LED indicator here which shows the Bluetooth status. Alright, let me just bring my phone, turn on the Bluetooth and connect to it.
You're connected.
And that's it. Now let me play a song and show you how the audio on it sounds like. The audio quality was really good. The mids were nice, felt crisp and clear, you could easily understand the dialogues. The treble quality was also good, but I felt it was slightly harsh. Talking about the bass was very good on it. I didn't expect this compact speaker to produce this punchy bass, all thanks to that bass radiator at the bottom. The distortion was also less, up to 80% volume level, beyond which you can feel slight distortion in the audio. And the audio output was also really high on it. It was definitely producing 10 watts of output. On the overall, the sound quality was good for the price. You can have a great party in your room with the speaker. The Tagg Sonic Angle 1 also has a microphone on it and the mic quality was decent. Coming to the battery life, this Bluetooth speaker has a 2200 mAh battery and the battery life was really good. On an average, I was getting around 6 to 7 hours of music playtime at 75% volume level, and charging it from 0 to 100 took around 2 hours. So that was my review on the Tagg Sonic Angle 1 10-watt Bluetooth speaker. It's a good Bluetooth speaker. The build quality is nice, it's IPX5 rated water resistant, the audio quality is good and has a great battery life. The only thing I felt is the price could have been a bit lower. It costs around 2,499 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.